In this module, we will explore Microsoft's AI-powered productivity tools. Left pointing magnifying glass Microsoft's focus on productivity. Now that we've covered Microsoft's AI investments, let's look at the tools they've created for productivity. Microsoft has AI tools for both personal and business use. While the features may be similar, enterprise tools protect your data. They don't use it to train AI or share it outside your company. What is it? Microsoft builds AI tools for both individuals and organizations. Business tools come with extra data privacy and don't use your information to train AI. Bust-in Silhouette consumer AI tools. Bing Chat, a free AI chatbot built into Bing, powered by GPT-4. You can ask it questions, write stories, generate code, and more. You might need a Microsoft account for longer chats. What is it? Bing Chat is a free AI assistant you can use in Bing to ask questions, write content, or even generate code. It runs on GPT-4. A Microsoft account might be required for full features. Microsoft Designer, a free online design tool where you type a description and it creates an image using AI doll.e. You'll need a Microsoft account to use it. What is it? Microsoft Designer helps you create images just by typing a description. It uses AI doll.e and is free to use with a Microsoft account. Office Building Enterprise AI Tools. Bing Chat Enterprise works just like Bing Chat but with extra security. Your data stays private, won't be saved or shared, and is never used to train the AI. What is it? This is a business version of Bing Chat. It looks the same but adds strong privacy. Your chats and data stay secure and aren't used for training AI. Microsoft Copilot Suite includes tools like Times Copilot in Windows, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, Times Copilot in Power Platform, Times Security Copilot, Times GitHub Copilot. What is it? Microsoft Copilot is a family of AI tools that help with tasks in apps like Word, Excel, Dynamics, and even cybersecurity and app development. Each one is built for a different purpose, but powered by the same smart AI models. Here's how Copilot works. You type a request, called a prompt. Copilot pulls related info from your company's data, called grounding. It uses that info plus the prompt to generate a helpful, relevant answer. Your data stays safe. Copilot only shows you what you're allowed to see, and everything stays inside your organization. What is it? Copilot works by taking what you ask, your prompt, finding the right data from your organization, called grounding, and generating an answer. It only shows you what you have access to, keeping your data private and secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.